Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Caroline. If y'all are new here, you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my completed room tour. If this is the first video you're seeing, this is actually episode 3. I filmed 2 other episodes where I redid my room and showed like the whole process of it because I did a lot of work and you definitely don't want to miss that. So those 2 episodes will be in the description if you want to watch those first, or you could just watch the room tour and then go see how I did the whole process. This was probably one of the most highly requested videos that I've ever had. I cleaned my room. Hopefully it's good for this video. But I'm so excited. I'm gonna tell you guys where I got everything from and all that. All right, so this is my door. It is 12 feet tall, I'm pretty sure, or 10 feet. I think it's 12 or 10 feet. My doors are very, very tall. So you come in through here, the hallway, and the first thing that is on your right is a mirror. This huge full-size body mirror. You can literally see everything. It's amazing. I love taking outfit of the days here. This mirror, so cute. It's from Wayfair and I'm pretty sure it's like 100 pounds. Like I couldn't even carry it. It was way too heavy. Then next to it, I have my nightstand. My nightstand is from Home Goods. It's just like a really simple brown one, and that's kind of honestly all I wanted. Like I didn't want to spend that much money on a nightstand because I spent so much on my room. So I just found like a really simple one from Home Goods. On the top of my nightstand, I have this lamp, which is so beautiful and gorgeous. It's from Target. Then I have this little dish, which is like an iridescent pink color, and this is from Target. And then this bubble candle was actually sent to me to my P.O. box. So I'm pretty sure this is the brand called Soya, and it smells divine, like so amazing. Then I have my Roku remote, obviously, to watch TV, and then I have this little jar that I got from Target. It's just like a really simple iridescent color, and then I have some of these little wildflowers in there. All right, now below. On the bottom, I have 2 little book decor pieces. So the first one is this book that's called Getting Away. It's like a really good self-help, self-care book. And then I have this little box that Glossier sent me their PR packaging in. There's nothing in it, but I just wanted to keep the box because I knew it would look cute in my room. Now for my bed, I'm so excited because this is the biggest difference from my old room. So first off, I don't have a headboard. I was debating on getting one, but then I was like, no, I don't want one because that's just a lot of money to spend, and I'm already spending so much redoing my room. So no headboard. These pillows in the back kind of act like that though, because I just never move them. One thing I did do though, which a lot of you guys noticed in my other videos and I read your comments, is that my bed is a lot higher. That is true. I got a second box spring. I have 2 box springs and then a mattress. So my bed is a lot higher, which I love because before it was really short. Okay, now my bedspread, which I've gotten so many questions on. It is adorable, and it's from the brand Jerf Avenue. A bunch of y'all were commenting that it reminds you of sour strawberry, and I didn't even realize that until you said that, but it totally gives me those vibes, so I'm very happy that I chose this one. So the way I have my pillows set up is I have this big white one, which I got from Home Goods. Just like a really simple big white pillow. It kind of reminds me of the pillows that like my grandma has, and I've always admired them whenever I go visit her. Then I have like plain white pillows to sleep on, and then the decor pillows, which is from Jerf Avenue. Next we have my dresser, which also has my TV on top of it, and it has been so nice watching TV in bed because before my TV was like way lower than my bed. It was always uncomfortable, but now my TV is at like the perfect height and I just love it. So this dresser is from Wayfair. It was a pain to build, but thankfully I had Upa help me because he knows how to do that. There's 8 big drawers and I'm obsessed. My TV I just got from Best Buy. It's honestly like just like a simple Roku TV. But let's get into the decor, which is on top. Okay, so I have 3 things here. So the first thing is this peace sign bowl, which is from Urban Outfitters. It is literally so cute, and I have a bunch of stuff in here. I've got scrunchies, hair clips, Louis Vuitton ribbon, clear ponytails, and then another scrunchie. Then in this clear little box, I have a bunch of my Glossier Ultra Lips. I've got my Gua Sha, Brazilian Kiss lip butter, and then these little hair clips. that hold my hair back when I do my makeup. So I just have that there. And then over here, I have my great-great-great-grandmother's wedding ring. This glass little jar is also from when she was alive. It's so pretty, I'm literally in love with it. And she's from Nova Scotia. Then on the other side of the TV, I kind of just have a bunch of random stuff. I definitely need to like clean this up. In these two containers, I have my two Canon G7Xs. I'm filming on one right now, so that's why this one's empty, but I'll usually have it placed in here. Then I have this little jewelry box, which is from Princess Polly. It is so cute and great for traveling, so I just always kind of have it out. Then I have my Apple Watch, which is right here, charging. My Ray-Bans, which are my favorite. These actually should probably go in my car. And then most importantly, my blue light glasses, which I always grab for whenever I edit. So it's really nice to have them handy. And now for my desk, I've gotten so many questions on this already because this is the part that you can like really see whenever I film TikToks. So to answer your questions, this desk is from Wayfair. Wayfair's kind of been like my best friend through this whole thing. Obviously, they've had some like scandals, not being like they're amazing, but I mean, so far their furniture has worked. And I really love the vanity in the desk. I can do my homework, do my makeup, and edit here. This chair is from World Market. It is probably the most comfortable chair that I've ever owned. And I've kept this for my last room. These flowers are literally on their last life right now because I've had them for so long. This vase that is holding them is from Urban Outfitters. I'm obsessed with the vase and it just is so big. Like, I've never seen a vase that big before. Then I've got my makeup brushes over here. I have them in this little jar, which I got from Target. Target has some really good, like, simple jars and dishes. Then over here, I have a jewelry box, which is from Urban Outfitters. And as you can see, I have all my jewelry in here. Right next to it, I have a candle, which says Girl Boss. I think my mom got it for me. It's so cute. It smells really good too. As of now, the only things that I have on my walls are this little tapestry thing that I kept from my other room, and then my YouTube play button signs. I really want to keep it like very minimalistic, but I feel like there definitely does need to be something there. So I'm waiting to find like a really cute canvas or like artwork that I like, but I didn't want to rush it obviously for the purpose of this video. So just pretend like there's something up there. I'm gonna show y'all what's in my drawers though. So in this one I have this bag from Sunbum. It's like a canvas bag and it has all of my favorite pens in it that are like easy access that I can use whenever I'm like wanting to journal or fill out my planner. Then I have matches, which are great because I always have a candle somewhere in my room. And then this Beauty Counter lip conditioner. It's in the peppermint flavor. It is so good. Very moisturizing. Okay, then below that I have the first part of my makeup drawer. I've got my Glossier tinted moisturizers, my Benefit brow, my Laura Mercier blush, Benefit highlighter, Benefit bronzer, Laura Mercier setting powder, Glossier Wowder powder, and then Tarte moisturizing primer. Then I've got my jade roller. I don't really use this that much as I typically use the gua sha a lot more, but it's always nice to have in here. All right, then in the middle drawer, it's very simple in here. I've got my planner from Erin Condren. This is the best planner ever, you guys. Seriously need to get this. Got my birth control, my vitamins from Ritual, my deodorant. I use men's deodorant, by the way. It's literally the best. Then on the right side, I have my camera equipment, some of these wipes from Casetify, because I like to wipe down my computer and my phone like once a week, you know, because there's lots of germs on it. I've got a tripod here, and then in the drawer below that, I've got a primer, SPF cream, concealer, mascara, lip glosses, and then some spoolies. Oh wait, I didn't show this either, but I have a trash can that is from Target. It's just like this little wooden trash can. So yeah, that is basically it for my room tour. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. Thank you so much for watching. Also, thank you for your constant support, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to redo my room. I'm absolutely in love with it. I love falling asleep in here every single night. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Loving someone go